Hello everyone, I'm here to review the Sound Squared Eclipse earphones. These are actually, the name of the product is the Eclipse by Sound Squared. These may look like stylish earphones, they are. They have like scratchy outside and puff pads as the earphones. If you may not like the generic puff pads that those really cheap crappy earphones give you, these are actually soft, very soft to the touch, and they will feel much better in your ear. Now, as sound quality goes, it is very good bass, rich sound quality. The only one, there's like a couple earphones that I can compare it to. The first one is the Apple earphones, which it is much better than them, and maybe the Apple earphones are more available because it comes with every iPod and pretty much mostly everything Apple sells except for Macs and cases and stuff. But those Apple earphones actually cost like $20 if ordered on the Apple online store, and these on Amazon actually cost about $15 including shipping. So it says Sound Squared right here if you can see it. Yeah, this also has gold plating right here, so that will enrich the sound quality even more than your regular Apple earphones or pretty much mostly any other brand. Maybe I've not seen Monster earphones up close, but I will not be the ones to judge them bad on that, so I do not know if they have gold plating, silver plating, whatever plating. These also have a green band on them. It just looks cool. I don't know what anything special it would give it. And yeah, that's about it. These are $15 on Amazon, and that's including shipping.